Hello everyone, welcome to, I guess, bike and talk. I'm making sure I don't slip in this mud, because it is a very much pain in the ass type of mud. Oh, you got a farmer. You probably can't see him. You can hear the machine though. Oh, my arse, dude. Sorry about that. You can hear the machine. There's just a farm to the left here. I don't know what he's farming though, because I've not searched what the farm is yet. But probably cool. Can you see him? If I move out of the way. He's kind of just staring at me like a fucking weirdo, but I guess farmers don't have anything better to do with their fucking lives, you know. Maybe they should be fishing, maybe they should be, you know, looking after their livestock, maybe they should be farming. Instead, they're staring at someone walking in a public pathway.